turn to the dark side. This is my Father's Day present from Lori and the cats. It's a corded sander. I do have one, but I went and I drilled the holes, fitted the motor mounts on the beds. Now I'm sanding this down and getting ready to paint it. I'm just going to paint this section so that I can put the engine in place, bolt it all up, and I'm done with it. I shouldn't have to move it again. So I needed something a little smaller to get in and around some of the little nooks and crannies. So what better thing to do than to break out the old cordless dust sander. So we'll see how it goes. I guess it runs. Sweet. Let's try that again. Third time's a charm. There we go. Now we got it. Like that. Turned on right from the factory. That's pretty torquey for an electric sander. I'm impressed. It's heavy, and I've got carpal tunnel in both hands, so just the 7-8 minutes of sanding I did there, my hands are just screaming at me. So that's one of the reasons I like air sanders. They're lighter, they less vibration, not so taxing on the wrists, but it seems to get the job done. This section is going to be out of sight, out of mind, so it's not cosmetic. I don't care really what it looks like. If you want to go on my boat and stick your head under my engine and tell me my engine beds look like shit, well, that's fine. I don't care. So I'm just going to finish this up, vacuum it up, wipe it down, and maybe we'll roll some paint on it this afternoon. Stand by. inside the forward cabin now, and it's the main bulkhead, port side. I started to stitch the cabin top to the main bulkhead, and I was fitting the port side, cabin side, and I run into some issues which have been constant with this CNC kit. As you can see up here, I've got about 1 3/8 inches. This is either too short or this is either too long, so I'm not sure what's going on, but it was quite far out. The one on the starboard side is about the same, and the cabin top itself, there's the gap that I either missed putting a piece in, or it wasn't in the instructions, or anything like that, but it's about 3.5 inches at that end. And coming back around this end, it's about 4, so I'll lay in a new piece and tape it up and it'll be fine. The forward end of the boat, storage right now. I'll get to work on that soon, because I want to have the foredeck and this cabin on before winter, so I can cover it with a tarp and work on it a little longer. So that's it. I think you've seen the grand tour before. This is the headspace, vanity. Over here is Lori's hobby / sewing table, and in this section we'll probably have an ice maker, air conditioner, electrical panel. So there you have it. Let's look at the back of the boat. Stand by.